Hey, sneekylinux back again today. Oh yeah, back again. Yeah, getting cold outside. Today we have Comfusion 4.1. Yeah. Now it used to be called something else, and I can't remember what it was. It all come to me, I think. But Comfusion 4.1 is basically a buntu derivative. All that says debian on the website. Using LXDE with Compiz enabled and wishly wood, so you get all the wobbly windows and stuff like that. But by using LXDE, that actually saves you a bit of stuff. So I'll give you a little bit of a look here. This is basically what it looks like once it's installed, because we're installed here. I've installed the driver that I need, and you've got some extra bits and bobs on here, blah-de-blah, blah-de-blah-de-blah. So we'll get this out of the way first. So the first thing you'll see is the start, okay? So if I double-click on Start, it will start doing some stuff in a minute, okay? Here we go. And it says you stretch this file, remember it's in Spanish as well as it is in English. This basically tells you what you have to do once you finish installing. Installation took around about 15-20 minutes, a bit longer than I was expecting, but it's fine, okay? But basically what you have to do is open the post installer, okay? To install the restricted extras and other stuff that he's got in his own repos, okay? And once you do that, it's hunkily off the door, okay? As you can see, close it down there, and it's gone, okay? Firefox is your default browser. He's got quite a few bits and stuff here for Android, so connecting your Android phone up, or your tablet even, to your PC. So if I go to AirDroid here, if I double click it, it'll take us straight to a website as far as I'm aware. Hang on a minute. And there we go, yes. Download and install AirDroid from your Google Play, make sure it's blah 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 blah, it's on the same Wi-Fi network, and you basically move things between devices, which I thought was rather good as well, yeah. It's a few more in the menus and I'll show you in a minute. Once you've installed everything, also the menu gets rather large, okay? Quite large. So that menu here, bearing in mind it's LXDE, it's reasonably fast what it is. Now I've got Compiz turned on here, so we get all the bits and bobs. You can turn it off if you wish to, but if you're going to do that, there's no point in downloading it for the simple reason that's why you get it in the first place, isn't it? What's Compiz is already done for you. You got disk management there, file manager, calculator, a good code for doing code and reading your barcode, which is very nice. Well, not barcodes, you know the ones I mean. Leaf pad here for doing your leaf pad stuff. Yes, it's leaf pad. Your W bar configuration. Now your W bar is this one over here, okay? As you can see, it comes out and it comes out and does stuff like that. Lovely. Okay, that's accessories out of the way. But under graphics, you only get a document viewer, an image viewer, and a simple scan. Okay, that's all you get. There's no GIMP or anything like that. Under internet, obviously you get AirDroid. You also get bump and trance. If you wait a second for bump to come up, it gives you a link. You have to install it on your device. Basically, you install it on your phone. No, I don't want to do that. You install it on your phone, and then you tap the space bar with your phone, and you can like transfer more stuff and magically move photos around. So yeah, there's quite a few bits he's put like that on. But yeah, I'm still waiting for my phone. Would be nice, wouldn't it? Okay. Right, under Office, as I said, there's no Abbey Word. Well, you get your numeric, but no Abbey Word. There's a PDF viewer as well, by the way. Under Sound and Video, we get Audacious as your player here. Not my favourite in the world, but hey, don't shoot me, I'm only the messenger. No Men Player for your movie plan. GUC View for your video webcamming stuff. Record My Desktop, which is there by default. That's fine, okay. And TV Linux Player, okay. But Record My Desktop, you will need to install Pulse Audio to get it working if you've got a USB microphone. Otherwise, it could take you quite a while to run under the basic mixer they got here. But all you have to install is the PAV control for Pulse Audio, basically. Okay. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, this post install. I'll show you what I mean if I click on it and open it. Yeah, we're going to OK, and I want my password in a second. I'll chuck that in. There we go. Wait for it to do some stuff. Yeah. Do I speak Spanish? No. Okay, so anyway. I'll get the gist of it. And basically, he's actually connecting to some repositories here. And you can choose some stuff that's specific to this distribution. It doesn't take too long, by the way. By the way, if I did tell you Firefox is your default browser, and you've got Pigeon as well, and stuff like that. But that's about it. There's not too much that comes as standard as such, if you know what I mean. And so you get the wobbly windows there to go wobble, wobble, wibble, wobble, jelly on a plate. Yeah, and stuff like that. And you can do the magic cube and stuff like that. That's okay, it's done. And in theory, it should show me something in a minute. In theory, this bit's always bits. Is it going to do something? Is it not going to do something? It is. Here we go. You can install these items from their own repos, it seems. So, if you want elementary Pantheon, yeah, you can have Pantheon as well, you can have it. But I thought having LXD with Compiz allows you to run an older machine with all these special effects without having any slowdown. And so far, I've had quite a good time with it, to be really honest with you. Yeah. But you can get Cinnamon as well, and Razor QT with it's the latest one, I don't know. I had trouble with the last Razor anyway. I'm waiting for the new one to come out. The Google Music Manager's here as well. Mix Mode, G Mode is there for doing stuff like that. We can just scroll down. Easy Stroke is here, and Guadacure is here, and Spotify and all that sort of stuff. So we're going to cancel it. There is also, if I go down here, open up my menu. I'll go to set preferences first, and I'll show you around here. You've got your preferred applications, all the stuff you'd expect with this sort of distribution using LXDE. Okay, and you can change your Compiz settings here as well. I'll go to System Tools. There's an update manager there, which you will need. I'll open up the task manager for you, just so you can see what it's looking like. And as you can see, even though I've done quite a few bits here, it's only using 165 megabytes of RAM, and the CPU's going a bit, doesn't. Oh no, it's gone back down now. It's normally doesn't use hardly any CPU. Okay, look at that. I'll go back to there as well. System Tools. Once we open it again, where are we? Blah 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 blah. Somewhere around here. Here we are. The Comfusion for Software Center, especially a mismatch of Debian and the package manager. So here it is basically. So if you want to install something, you would do here. So we go and get into Office, wherever Office has gone over here. Let me put it open. There we go. There's Appy Word, because we need something like that, wouldn't we? We add that to your apps basket. Yep. And then we go to our apps basket. We go there. Yeah. Install packages. Yes. Not going to take too much to install, really. Might as well do it while we're here, mightn't we? Once my password, one more time. It's just to show you how to basically do it. But most of you will know. But if you're new to Linux and you say, "Oh, that looks really nice," you might want to give it a little bit of a go, mightn't you? Yeah, you might do. Now installing our package, I'll open that up for you so you can see what's going down. Yep, lovely jubbly. It's doing what it says on Latin. Or Latin, as you would say in Spain. Okay. I still can't think of the name what it used to be bleeding called. It'll come to me in a minute, honestly. No, it will. It will, honestly. I'll move that up for you. So wobble jelly on a plate and all that. Remember, some of you may want the cube. The cube's quite nice as well, isn't it, when you think about it? But we'll just do this one, just so you can see, you know, what it's all about and stuff like that. The only big downside for me, personally, was the install took quite a while. And then when I went to update it, right, listen to this one. Listen to this, right. There was 309 updates to do, okay, which was around about 160 meg or something, and they wouldn't all install. They just didn't want to know. So what I did, I installed the restricted extras from the post-installer script thing, and it was alright. Yeah, it was alright. Yeah, it was Uncle of the Dory. And then when I went to install an update again, they'd gone down, and the download was only going to be 99 meg. So yeah, something went amiss there, didn't they? Anyway. Sorry for me chatting now, all to myself, but yeah, that's all installed now. So now if I go down here, and I click on there, and I go to Office, and we go to Office, Appy Word will be there. This will be 292. Remember, it is not the most stable in the world, okay? Well, hopefully they'll get it sorted soon, but 284 or 286 is the most stable. This one sometimes has trouble with your Microsoft documentolas, okay? Yeah. Apart from that, it's really nice to use, considering it's Ubuntu based. But guys, remember, don't be frightened to say it's Ubuntu based or Ubuntu based distribution. Don't just put Debian in there just to keep people away, because as soon as they start using it, they're going to know, aren't they, really? Anyway, I'm going to give it 89. Sneaky Linux out. I see you later. Bye bye.